But I think one of the fun things I want to talk about this week is meme stocks.
Yeah.
Right. Anthony, I know you have a lot to say about this.
No, I don't.
For 2021.
Okay, wait. Before we get there, did any of you try to play the meme stocks?
Not
I know
me.
you.
I was too late, man. I was too late.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I paper-handed, right? I was like, oh yes, I tried to do something with AMC, put it in, it went up, it went down. I was like, fuck this, I'm out. I can't deal with the volatility. Right. It's just insane, you know. But I think, but that's fun, right? That's just the whole point of a meme and being able to enjoy and being able to be that part of it. Which was exciting for a bit. What I was really interested in meme stocks is, look, you know, I mean, you kind of expect it to go away and to subside slightly, but the valuations are still there. AMC is still what, $40, I think. GameStop is still 100 plus. How are their valuations? How are their market caps still so high? Right? I think that's the question that I have. You know, is it some sort of anchoring? You don't want them to drop too much. Is it some sort of psychological bias? Because we are not, you know, screwing the short sellers. I don't think anybody really dares to short these stocks now. So you know, what's going on? Do you guys have any ideas?
You want to go first, Rakaesh?
Jeff, why don't you answer that one?
Okay.
No, Jeff, all you.
Yeah, so I guess one of the things, the rise of meme stocks to me was a classic speculative bubble, right? But with one crucial difference. So most bubbles, through history itself, are fueled by excessive greed in that sense. But this one was really driven by rage and perhaps also desperation in that sense. So you start seeing people piling into GameStop and other meme stocks like what you have mentioned already, because they want to force short sellers out of business. They saw them as responsible for the financial crisis of 2008 and for steepening inequality and injustice that follow which after. I also think that many of them felt as though they had nothing to lose and had nothing at all in that sense. And in all alternative, gambling everything on a few bets is kind of their best bet in that sense. So buyers were motivated by righteous anger, co-opting markets to right wrongs.
So effectively stick it to the man.
Exactly, yeah.
But they can't still be angry now, right? It's been 8 months.
I guess in some sense.
I know, yeah. Hey, get
in
over
some
it.
sense, it's been a thing that has been ongoing for quite a while as well, right? It's a situation that, you know, you have what was that movement on Wall Street again? If you guys remember,
Occupy Wall Street.
Occupy Wall Street. Yeah, that was the less more of a political front, but on this case is economics one, right? So from that perspective itself, I guess COVID gave people the avenue to, you know, explore their options on the internet as well. Then you start seeing like Robinhood, you know, putting out products.
I guess it's a bit of a boredom trade as well. Nothing to do, just
exactly.
go and pick some shares.
You start seeing people piling in.
Joining on Reddit. Joining on Reddit.
Exactly. Yeah. And even hedge funds, they came on board as well. So I think the whole rage itself against this whole financial machine still exists, but probably a lot more watered down in that sense right now. Yeah, because you have the big boys coming in to play as well, and you know, the playbook is the playbook is pretty much standard, right? So everyone sort of know what's going on, where to look at your Wall Street bets on Reddit, you know. Yeah, I know of people scraping data from Wall Street bets as well as a form of alpha to see where to position themselves in hedge funds. Yeah, so it's one of the it has become a strategy as well.
Yeah, that's interesting, right? A populist movement that wanted to make hedge funds go broke is now a hedge fund strategy. I mean,
you always want to be on the right side of things,
that's
right?
Great.
Yeah.
I think the idea is you just want to follow the money. That's it. Don't bother trying to fight for the small guys.